I started only 5 colors: titanium white for the brilliance of snow, ivory black for the depths of the branches, phthalo blue to create the soft frosty ambience, cadmium red light for the warm flickering of light, and hansa yellow medium to bring out of the radiant sunbeams. Each color plays a vital role in capturing the balance between the cold and the warmth of the scene. First, I lay down the soft gradient background by blending titanium white, phthalo blue and ivory black to form the forest and the road, setting the scene with the misty atmospheric feel. Next, I added the sun and snow, leaving the white spot to create the glowing light. I applied hansa yellow medium to create warm sunlit areas and layered titanium white to define the brightness of the sun. This was the intuitive and relaxed process. This painting, titled The Winter Branches, represents resilience and renewal. The bare branches reaching out against the glowing winter light symbolize strength through adversity. Winter, often seen as a time of rest, teaches us that even in stillness there is beauty, and within every moment of darkness there is always light waiting to shine through. This piece is a reminder to trust in the cycle of nature and our own life. To design this combination, I used the Fibonacci spiral, a technique that brings harmony and natural flow into the artwork. The spiral guided me to placing the focal point, the glowing light at the center of the painting. From there, the branches stretch out, drawing the viewer's eye along the natural rhythm of the spiral, creating balance and sense of movement. I was continuing with the foundational set. I added the 3 branches using ivory black, positioning them to naturally guide the viewer's eye. I then blended the elements together, ensuring the harmonious flow across the canvas. To enhance the scene, I introduced sparse details such as snowflakes, smaller branches and shadows under the trees, using phthalo blue and ivory black for depth. Warm tones like cadmium red light and hansa yellow medium were added for dynamic highlights, blending again for the cohesive effect. Once I achieved the soft blended background, I painted the sharp detailed branches in the foreground, adding snow and carefully balanced light and shadows to bring them to life. Finally, I completed the piece with colorful snow and delicate white snowflakes. Finally, I splattered the cadmium red light and hansa yellow medium to add dynamic glowing energy to the scene and adding texture and vibrancy to the finished painting, representing hope and vitality. The sun in this painting represents more than just light. It's a powerful symbol of hope, renewal, and ever-present source of energy that sustains life. Spiritually, the sun has been seen across cultures as a beacon of clarity and enlightenment. A reminder that even the coldest, darkest winter, the sun will rise again, bringing warmth and light to our lives. In this piece, the glowing sun breaking through the snowy branches symbolizes resilience and transformation. It whispers the message that no matter how frozen or barren things may seem, there is always a light within us waiting to shine, melting away fear, doubt, or sadness. The radiance of the sun also represents our inner strength and the cycle of growth and rest. Just like nature, we too have seasons, and the sun reminds us that every ending is simply a new beginning. It's a call to trust in the journey, to embrace the quiet moments of winter in our lives, knowing that spring and light are always on their way. Thank you for joining me on this journey of creating life through with winter branches. I hope this piece inspires you to see the beauty in stillness and light within the shadows. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more painting stories, techniques and spiritual art. You can also visit my website, link is down below, artbykittgaraczi.com, to explore and purchase my artwork. Until next time, keep creating and finding beauty in the world around you.